Today we're on another swamp trail camera set out and pickup out in local management area. They just seen our last video, and if you're missing these videos, you gotta make sure you're hitting that subscribe button so you don't miss out. If you like what we're doing, hit that like button. So we followed one of the main trails down to the end, and I'm just going to look around for any sign animals crossing here. See some deer tracks already down in the mud. It's pretty muddy back here, so we're just going to be checking for trails and where these animals might be naturally moving back and forth. It's all a big bayhead swamp down in there. Pine woods out here, so this is the perfect place to set a trail cam. Alright, so this time I put this camera, hay trail camera, about 6 foot high on the tree. If you looked at our last video, the last clip, you see that buck walks in a fog, sees that trail camera and backs right out of the scene. Alright, I haven't experienced that with the other areas that I've been putting cameras in where there's no hunting, but in here where there is hunting allowed, now I'm seeing that. And there's a couple videos on YouTube that document that over a period of years, and that same thing happening. Difference in reaction of deer. They actually see that camera at their level, and they know something ain't right about it, and they see them out here and they know they're being watched apparently, and they will get spooky on you and spook away from the cameras. And that's their suggestion, was to mount it about head high on a tree and aim it down just a little bit. So that's what we did on that one, see if it works out. Hey guys, we got some rain since I set this up. I'm gonna go ahead and see what's on it. If anything, see some deer tracks here too. I don't know how fresh they are. If it turns out to be a good spot, we'll leave it here. If not, we might find another place for it. Or maybe armadillo. Big deer tracks there. Over there, so maybe we got something good. Hey trail cam, what you got? Of course I left the key in the truck. Alright, let's go ahead and this. We got 5 videos, probably 4 of those are probably me. So let me go through them real quick and we'll see what's good. Okay, so I locked that one back up, changed the card. We did get a couple of clips, but it's really foggy that day. So let's see what's going on. I still think this is a good spot. We got a big owl down there talking. Probably not going to be able to zoom in enough with this GoPro to catch him, but it's super quiet, and that's all you can hear is these two owls talking. Great thing about being out here in the woods. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and check camera number 2. Let's right off down in here. Looks like there's animals have been using this trail that I'm walking on. I just seen a big old bald eagle come driving down in here. So let's see if I can find the camera. It's right over here. Got high hopes for this one. Okay guys, we got some nice deer on this camera here. But I did notice one of the bucks that came into it noticed the camera and ran away from it. So like we did with the other one, I'm going to raise it up. I'm leaving it right here, but I'm going to raise it up higher on the tree. Look it down a little bit. Okay, so I moved it up higher on the tree, about shoulder height. Luckily the tree has got a little bend in it, so it's kind of naturally curving down. Put a few bromeliads on there, a little bit of camo. So see how that works.